Howdy folks! Let me tell you about a little slice of Texas heaven called Conroe. Nestled just north of Houston, it's a town that's full of charm. Conroe is a place where life moves at a slower pace. It's a place where folks still wave at each other on the street. And it's a place where you can truly feel at home. Now, Conroe might not be as flashy as some of its big city neighbors, but that's part of what makes it so special. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle. And it's a place where you can reconnect with the simple things in life. So, if you're looking for a town with a whole lot of heart, Conroe, Texas, might just be the place for you. Conroe is brimming with treasures waiting to be discovered. First up, Lake Conroe. This sprawling lake is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Boating, fishing, you name it. Spend a day casting a line or cruising the waters. Next, explore our historic downtown. Quaint shops and restaurants line the streets. Discover unique finds and enjoy a delicious meal. Don't miss the Heritage Museum of Montgomery County. It's full of local history and artifacts. Conroe has something for everyone. Conroe is more than just attractions, it's about the people. The sense of community here is strong, neighbors become friends, and folks look out for each other. The town hosts events throughout the year. The Conroe Cajun Catfish Festival is a must-do. Enjoy live music, delicious food, and family fun. Conroe knows how to celebrate. Join in the festivities and experience the true spirit of this town. Conroe is surrounded by natural beauty. Sam Houston National Forest is just a stone's throw away. Hike or bike through towering pines, breathe in the fresh air. Numerous parks offer space to relax or play. Take a stroll, have a picnic, or let the kids run free. Conroe is a place to reconnect with nature, it's a place to escape the everyday, and it's a place to create lasting memories.